Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Emoji Blitz. We go to settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Emoji Blitz. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Then you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.